Today's gem is a very simple tax minimisation technique known as income splitting. And basically the principle behind income splitting is to ensure assets are owned in a way where the investment income is channeled to the person with the lowest tax rate. Sounds simple enough. We're amazed at how many people overlook this common and yet very effective mechanism to lower their tax. Now, most important of all with income splitting, you need a partner. For those people who don't have a partner, we're not recommending you go out and get one because that can lead to asset splitting, not income splitting. First, let's have a look at the tax rates. Here they are on the screen now. For all adults in Australia, you'll see that the first $6,000 is tax-free. From $6,000 to $37,000, the tax rate is 15%. From 37 to 80, it's 30%, and beyond that, you can see the tax rate increases. The power of this simple technique is best illustrated with an example. We've got Bill and Mary who are both 60. Mary earns $40,000 a year, so any additional income she earns is taxed at 30%. Bill is retired, Mary's keeping him in the lifestyle he wants to become accustomed to. They have $200,000 currently in a term deposit at 6% in joint names. Let's firstly look at the tax that they pay on that investment income if they leave the money in joint names. You'll see that the $12,000 of interest, half is allocated to Bill. He pays no tax because he's underneath the tax-free threshold. The $6,000 of interest that's payable to Mary is taxed at 30%, which equates to $1,800 a year. So let's just change the ownership of that term deposit from joint names to Bill's name. You'll see here that Bill now owns $12,000 of interest from the term deposit. He gets the first $6,000 free of tax, and then there's a low income rebate in Australia, which is a maximum rebate of up to $1,500, which essentially means that the first $16,000 of income can be tax free. So what that means is just by simply moving the money from joint names to Bill's name, there is absolutely no tax liability for this couple on the term deposit. So in conclusion, what we're really saying is firstly be aware of what the tax scales are in Australia, and secondly, consider owning assets in a way that will direct investment income to the lowest taxpayer. Now for more gems, check out our website at www.gemcapital.com.au.